This is our Epson label printer. It does more than just heat shrink too, but right now that's what we're using it for. Here's the lever to open it. Now, if you follow some of the guides here, it'll show you how to load the media. There's a little finger tabby thing right here. When we get a new it goes this way. Here you go. You can follow this for loading media. Some warnings, what you shouldn't do. But basically this piece here starts out in here. And you get it brand new. And then you just have to feed it in here. It's got to align with a few things, follow the instructions on the cardboard. Make sure that this goes down nicely. It had a little bit of a click, and really that's all there is to it.